Create your own budget-friendly Polaroid-style camera. I love Polaroid instant cameras. That's because I love the retro style of the vintage pictures, but also the possibility to have a printed picture in your hands almost immediately. The problem with these cameras is the money you spend for every picture. So I decided to 3D print and build a Polaroid-style camera using a termal printer for receipts. This camera mimics a Polaroid retro camera and it is able to print very cheap pictures. The cost of every printed picture is almost free. In this video I will show you how I did it, and you can do the same too. I remixed an existing Polaroid camera 3D model, making easy to assemble and making posable to include a viewfinder from a disposable camera. I 3D printed the camera using my Prusa MK3 with PLA, but you can 3D print on other materials like ABS or PETG. You can find the STLs for free download in the description. I used a Raspberry with a cheap camera and a cheap AliExpress thermal printer. You can find the Python code to download for free in the description. This step is optional, but it is cool if you can recycle a disposable camera viewfinder to make the camera even cooler. I have used a slim power bank to power the camera and sticked it inside the camera. I mounted all the 3D printed pieces and put the electronics inside. I used a hot glue pistol to glue the LEDs. Finally, I tested the finished Polaroid-style camera. You can buy cheap thermal paper or collect receipts and use them later to print pictures for free as I do. If you like content like this, feel free to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you soon.